Critical is ensuring that we accelerate the progress with regards to regional infrastructure, especially in terms of transportation in our region. As much as you can say there are borders, we are also one nation. Obviously, citizens need to move. And we want to enable the movement of both citizens as well as goods under our region. This will also enable entrepreneurship to flourish. We know now, and we want to bring in, if you've heard from our meeting, there's a strong emphasis on your small, medium enterprises and bringing them into the ecosystem in order for us then to boost the economic development as well as the economic activity in our region. From an ICT perspective, of which I am the Permanent Secretary in South Africa for, our focus is really to ensure that we have affordable, meaningful broadband connectivity to all citizens, and that obviously we address the issues of the cost of data, which remains high, as well as affordability of devices in order to enable the citizens to participate in the digital economy. That is actually quite key. Now, when you have now addressed the issues of your connectivity, this will also enable, from a meteorology perspective, the issue of earlier warning. You know, when you are faced with the issues of floods in our region, in our countries, we've seen a lot of that happening, and especially in our coastal countries, especially Mozambique as well as Malawi being affected. It's very important that the citizens get that early warning messaging for us. So we are also then going to now call on the private sector to participate as well as to assist us to ensure that the citizens are able to have those affordable devices, but also then will be able to get the relevant and critical information and messages for their well-being.